Hey guys, good morning. My name is Kartik Sinha and I'm working at Reliance Power Nagpur. Today we are going to talk about electric vehicles. First of all, I would like to say a few words of mine to you that I pray for safety of every one of you from this evil called COVID-19, and I urge all of you to practice social distancing protocol and government guidelines. To begin discussion on electric vehicles, let's first understand why it's so important to emerge as a leader in e-mobility by adapting electric vehicles for public and private transportation system in our country. IEA, International Electricity Agency, International Energy Association report in 2009 says that a fossil fuel based transportation is second largest source of CO2 emission across the globe. Also, World Health Organization says India has got 14 out of 20 most polluted cities in the world. With EVs, we can expect our cities to have more cleaner air. Thirdly, there is a huge gap between production and consumption of fossil fuel. This keeps us heavily dependent on import of crude oil, whose price keep on fluctuating and depleting our very valuable foreign exchange reserves, which results in ever increasing rising cost of import bills. Also, road transportation in India accounts for around 25% of total crude oil consumption. Along with that, we there is an expectation that there is around 15% growth rate expected in sale of transport vehicles. To keep all these key area in focus, India has developed a significant policy called faster called National Electric Mobility Mission Plan and has came out with a scheme called FAME, which is acronym as Faster Adoption and Manufacturing of Hybrid and Electric Vehicles. To start with, there are ample opportunities for engineers and working professionals in the field of design, research and development, manufacturing, supply chain and logistic management only in electric field and electric vehicles. There is a competitive advantage of e-mobility which lies in its capability to produce employment. As per report, and e-mobility has got 6 times more job creation intensity than fossil fuel. Let us simplify this. It means, as per Niti Aayog report, say in a European economy, fossil fuel creates only 4 jobs while adding 1 million to their economy. In comparison, electric vehicles add 24 number of jobs per million added to their European economy. So, where are these jobs coming into? Firstly, the most critical area of job creation is battery manufacturing. It is estimated that battery manufacturing coupled with renewable energy generation can create an economic activity equal to annual crude oil import with no dependence on import. It means that without any depending on import, same or more number of jobs can be created just only in the field of battery manufacturing as well as renewable energy. Also, there are other components of electric vehicle like electric motors, regenerative braking systems, electric charging stations, power electronic components, logistics, supply chain, EV design and manufacturing, sales and marketing, and after sales maintenance. Also, it brings very important changes in our lifestyle. E vehicles can radically change our habits. Like, imagine uh, riding a bike with no need of going to fuel station. Yes, you don't need to go to a fuel station. This can save your precious time, which we usually spend in standing in queues at refueling gas stations. Also, imagine there is no risk of explosion or fire because there are no fossil fuel and no flammable components in your tank. Also, let's imagine that you are having a coffee with your friend at your nearest coffee shop, and your vehicle is getting refueled. You don't have to go to a station. You just have spared your precious 15-20 minutes while at a time you're having chat with your friend in a coffee shop, right? And there is, as we know, these components are typically maintenance free, so there is no need of going for a periodic maintenance of your bikes or cars, of electric cars or bikes, right? And also, the noise pollution aspect is also minimized, as we all know that electric vehicles have got a very efficient drivetrain, which is replacing cranking sound of IC engines, internal combustion engines of fossil fuel driven mobiles, driven equipments. And also, we can imagine our loved ones being able to track down with the vehicles fitted with GPS. So there is no concern about their safety. With all these opportunities, there are few challenges which can be addressed by innovative engineers like you. The most critical problem is increased injection of harmonics in power grids due to frequent charging of battery charging stations and recharging of vehicles. Also, there are grid stability issues due to fluctuating demand of vehicle charging and charging, putting the charger on and just removing off the load from the grid. Also, there are there is need of fast charging batteries and battery fast charging battery chargers. Effective demand side maintenance of charging loads of electric vehicle, adding power generation capacity for accommodating battery chargers. Yes, we all have to add uh, enough capacity in the grid to be able to match up with the demand of ever adding battery chargers. Also, we can look for the potential benefits. Today in India, as per the Indian government's National Mobility Plan, they have tracked and registered around 1500 electric vehicles which have traveled approximately around 2.5 crore kilometers, reducing particulate emission of around 650 kgs and 4,500 tons of CO2 gas emissions, which has saved around 60 lakh liters of petrol and 10 crore rupees of fossil fuel. This is a remarkable saving. Thank you. Thank you to the management of JIT-Nagpur for giving me this opportunity to share my views on electric vehicle mobility and electric vehicle mobility. And I wish you all the best. Stay safe. Happy learning. Thank you.